Hi friends, welcome to TECHIESSTUDY and Microsoft Fabric series. In this session, we are going to discuss about Fabric Git integration. So Git integration in Microsoft enables developers to integrate their development processes, tools and best practices straight to the Fabric platform. It allows developers who are developing in Fabric too. They can take backup and version control to their work. Okay, revert to the previous stages if required. So collaborate with others to work alone with using their particular own future branches. They can work on it. Apply the capabilities of familiar source control tools. Manage Fabric items. Okay, the integration with source control is on workspace level. Developers can do the version control items. They can develop within a workspace in a single process with fully visibility to all their items in GitHub. Okay. Now let's go ahead and configure the GitHub in Fabric account. So this is the Fabric account. Like we need to log in with same account, right? This is the account, whatever whichever you have account logged in. With that account, you need to update it. Okay, log in with DevOps account. Okay, here if you will go with dev.azure.com. Okay, if you will go with dev.azure.com, it will ask and click on sign in, start free, and give that email address and next options, next and sign in. Once you signed in, then you can create the projects and branches. Okay, for now we are in main branch, Microsoft Fabric project. If you will see, this is the organization. Under that we have two projects. Okay, Microsoft Fabric and Fabric. Okay, let's go ahead and configure the settings. Here demo. So before that, if you will try to without this option, okay, you can see this error. So this workspace is different region. Go to the workspace admin settings to enable the cross region connections. Make sure we should enable this global cross region connections in our admin portal settings. Okay. See, again I am explaining you. Unable to connect repository, you will get the error if you haven't enabled this option. I will show you that option. This workspace is in different region. Go to the workspace admin settings to enable the cross region connections. Let's go ahead and check that. Here under profile settings, go to the admin portal. Okay, here in this tenant settings, admin portal tenant settings, we can see the Git integration. Okay, integration, powerbi visuals, developers, Git integration. See, here make sure you should enable this graphical locations, Git repositories. We should enable. If we have enabled this, it won't give the error. Okay, under Git integration, enable all these three options. Perfect. Now go to the workspace. Workspace and demo training. Go to the workspace settings and Git integration. Here you need to select the organization. Okay, organization is msfabric t. Okay, project we can select Microsoft Fabric. Repository should be same. Okay, we will go to this. Repos. See, repo also same under main branch. Now main branch, select the main branch. Okay, folder name is fine. Select the folder you want to be first your folder structure, that is fine. Click connect and sync. Okay, now you have connected with repository. Let's refresh this. Okay, so this is the way we can connect GitHub settings. See, now we are under same main branch. Here git status should be sync status. We will check it in next session. So but this is the way we can configure the GitHub integration to our each individual workspaces. Okay. uh, Thank you so much. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.